The rain begins. It falls with a soft, steady sound upon the window pane. Each drop arrives on its own, yet joins with others to create a gentle rhythm. A quiet song for the world outside. This sound is a reminder of slowness, of patience, of things that take their own unhurried time. Listen to it now. Breathe in, feeling the cool air fill your lungs. You are here, in this quiet moment. You are present. You are ready to begin. In this serene space, we consider the idea of growth. Not a sudden, dramatic change, but a slow and steady improvement. Much like the rain itself, it is a commitment made quietly, a promise to yourself. Keep these thoughts in mind. I am committed to personal growth. I embrace opportunities for self-improvement. This isn't a forceful declaration, but a quiet, gentle opening. It's a willingness to receive. Much like the thirsty earth receives the rain, it is the simple, profound choice to welcome growth, no matter how small it may seem at first. These affirmations are not just words. They are seeds. Seeds of potential, of calm, of strength. Each one holds tons of possibility within its tiny shell, waiting for the right conditions to awaken. The world outside may rush and hurry, with its endless demands and rapid pace. It may pull you in 1,000 different directions. But here, with the sound of the rain, you can find a different pace, a rhythm that is yours alone. Let the steady sound of the droplets wash over you, cleansing away the urgency and leaving only a profound sense of tranquility. This is your space. It is a pace of deliberate, mindful action. One drop, then another. One breath, then another. One small step, then another. This is the very essence of personal growth. It is not about becoming someone entirely new overnight. It is about being patient and consistent. Personal growth can feel like a great, towering mountain, its peak lost in the clouds. But a journey up any mountain begins with a single simple step. The same is true for your own development. It does not begin with a monumental effort, but with one small, manageable action. This action is like the first drop of rain. It may seem insignificant on its own, a tiny gesture in the vastness of your life, but it symbolizes the power of a beginning, the promise of what is to come. Once the first drop has fallen, others will follow. Think again of the rain. It does not question itself. It simply falls, creating a consistent, soothing pattern. You can bring this same steady rhythm into your life. Look at your small, good actions. Make them a part of your day. This creates a chain of events, making the new habit feel more natural. Consider these simple steps regularly and consistently. Consider the rain as it falls. Each drop begins its journey alone, a singular point of moisture descending from the clouds. But as it reaches the earth, it doesn't remain isolated. It joins with others, gathering in the ground. Slowly, a pool forms. At first, the surface is alive with the constant patter of new arrivals, 1,000 tiny ripples. But as the rain softens, a profound stillness begins to settle over the water. The disturbances fade, and the surface becomes a beautiful glassy mirror. These pools are still and quiet, reflecting the sky above. They hold a clear, uninterrupted image of the world beyond. In your own journey of growth, it is not just helpful, but vital to create your own reflecting pools. Our minds are often overwhelmed by daily tasks and endless information, which is why we need to create regular moments of quiet stillness to let our thoughts settle and notice the subtle changes within us. Spending just 10 minutes a week in silence gives you the gift of clarity, allowing you to appreciate your small successes, recognize what you have learned, and intentionally let go of what holds you back. Through consistent effort, your small daily habits eventually merge into a powerful current of momentum that completely washes away self-doubt and replaces it with a solid foundation of confidence. True expansion happens when you gently step outside your comfort zone and explore simple new things. Whether that means reading an unfamiliar book, starting a fresh conversation, or taking a different route on your daily walk. Every single time you choose to try something new, you open a new door in your mind, uncover hidden strengths, and add another drop of courage to make the next step even easier. On any journey, there will be days when the path is muddy and the way forward is unclear. There will be storms. These setbacks are not signs of failure. They are inevitable and important parts of the process. When you miss a day in your routine, when an attempt to try something new does not go as planned, the first instinct is self-criticism. Gently, quiet this voice. Repeat softly, I learn and improve every day. After a long, steady rain, the world seems transformed. The colors are deeper, the air is cleaner. New green shoots begin to emerge from the soil. Your own growth, nurtured by small, consistent acts, will also begin to show. See the small goals you set for yourself and realize that you have met them, and perhaps even surpassed them. When the clouds part after a good rain, the sunlight streams through, every droplet on every leaf sparkling like a tiny jewel. This moment of brightness and beauty is a celebration. In your journey of personal growth, Create your own moments of brightness. Celebrate your small victories along the way. A celebration is not something extra. It is the warmth that helps achievements settle into your heart. The rain eventually stops, but the water it leaves behind continues its journey. It soaks into the earth, nourishes the roots of great trees, and flows in rivers to the sea. The cycle continues. Personal growth is much the same. It is not a project with a finish line. It is a lifelong commitment to your own journey.